You're late.
I'm late? No. Actually, it's not my fault. It's my new car's fault.
I'm coming to check your homeworks.
We had homework? Oh my god, no. I didn't do it. I'm gonna fail, and my mom is gonna kill me, and then I'm gonna become homeless and never get a job. Oh my god, oh my god. Teacher. I didn't do the homework.
Okay, and?
But I have a really good excuse.
You're not talking.